In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see the conversation history in Perplexity AI. If you want to revisit one of your previous chats, continue an earlier discussion, or review information you've already researched, Perplexity AI makes it simple to access your past conversations. In this video, I'll show you where to find your conversation history using the latest Perplexity interface and how to reopen any previous chat in just a few clicks. To get started, open Perplexity AI in your web browser and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the main screen, you'll see the navigation sidebar on the left side of the page. This sidebar gives you quick access to the main features of your account, including New, Computer, Artifacts, Customize, Projects, and Sessions. To view your previous conversations, locate the Sessions section in the sidebar. If the section is collapsed, simply click on Sessions to expand it. This is where Perplexity stores your past chat sessions, allowing you to return to conversations you've already had. After expanding the Sessions section, you'll see a list of your previous conversations. Depending on how many chats you've created, you may need to scroll through the list to find the one you're looking for. Your conversations are organized so you can easily return to earlier discussions without having to start from the beginning again. When you find the conversation you want to revisit, simply click on it. Perplexity will immediately open that session, displaying the complete conversation, including your previous questions and the responses you received. From there, you can continue the conversation by asking additional questions or simply review the information that was already provided. If you regularly use Perplexity for research, work, or studying, keeping your conversations organized can save you a lot of time. Instead of repeating the same searches, you can return to an existing session and continue building on your previous work. This makes it much easier to keep related information together in one place. If you don't see the conversation you're looking for, first make sure you're signed in to the correct Perplexity account. Conversations are linked to the account that created them, so using a different account may display a different list of sessions. As you continue using Perplexity AI, the Sessions section becomes a convenient way to keep track of your research, revisit useful answers, and continue ongoing projects whenever you need them. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,